leading the pair is, of course, the Shuttleworth Collections' own example in the colours of the Central Flying School Aerobatic team of the 1930s. The Stampe, which is an SV4A model, also lives here. It's one of the private owner aircraft based at Old Warden and is owned by that very well-known display pilot Stu Gott. Stampe SV4 followed in May 1943. In many ways, the Stampe SV4 is a more modern aircraft than the Tiger Moth, and obviously so. The fact that it was equipped almost from the outset with brand as opposed to in significant numbers. The first Stampe deliveries to the Belgian Air Force were just underway when war broke out. The French Air Force had ordered 600 of them, but obviously production was impossible with war raging, and Jean Stampe himself spent the war in France, ready when hostilities ended, and that did. Significant numbers were made after World War II, up to a final total of 140. But that was as nothing compared with how many Tigers would be built. 7,000 in the UK alone, most of them during World War II for the RAF, and of those almost half by the Morris Motors plant in Cowley in Oxford. The Stampe's aerobatic qualities were always superior to those of the Tiger. To this day, it's a very popular mount for vintage aerobatic contests. Lovely, crisp handling, easier to roll, an aircraft that was still competitive in modern day aerobatic competitions well into the 1960s. Engine, which has a full inverted fuel and oil system. And a still wider aerobatic repertoire at the back of this machine. Stampe occasionally displays this aircraft as part of the 4-ship Stampe display team, which we saw including one fascinating individual named French intelligence agent. If the weather had been nicer, we would have seen both aircraft go through their aerobatic paces. Nonetheless, in these bumpy conditions, a very nicely flown routine from both of them. Andy Monk coming into land with the DH.82a Tiger Moth. And there's Stampe SV4.